All right, hello, this is lesson 8. For our warm-up today, we're just going to be practicing our skip counting. We're going to be counting by 2s to 20, and we're going to be counting by 3s to 30, forward and backwards for both. So again, I'm using my hands. They're going to help guide me so I remember where I'm at. So we're going to start by 2 to 20. So our first one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and back, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. And remember, keep practicing your skip counting at home. This will help a lot with our multiplication lessons. Now we're going to 3, which will be a little bit more of a challenge. 3 all the way to 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Let's do 3s again, and then that will be it for our warm-up today. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Awesome job. All right, so that was our warm-up, and now we're going to continue real quick with just reviewing arrays. So I want us to see how over here, remember my first number is how many rows? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2. 3 times 2 equals a total of 6. Now I can skip count by 3s to my second finger, saying 3, 6, or I can skip count by 2s to my third finger, 2, 4, 6. But still, if that's a little too difficult right now, I could also count each individual circle. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But now let's say I have the array and I flipped it over, the same exact thing, but just put it on the other side. Now I can make a new multiplication sentence out of this array. I can say 1, 2, 2 rows, times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3. Gives us a total of 6 dots. All right, so now we're going to be going over a application problem together. So let's read this up here together. Children sit in 2 rows of 9 on the carpet for math time. Aaron says, we make 2 equal groups. Nicole says, we make 9 equal groups. So who is correct? So let's make what Aaron says are 2 rows of 9 in each of them. So I have my 1, 2, and my 9 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's see, they say we make 2 equal groups. So as this group has 9 and this group has 9, are these 2 equal groups? Yes, because equal means they have the same number. So now let's make our multiplication sentence for this array. We have 2 rows times 9 in each row gives us a total of 18. So let's practice counting by 2s to our 9th finger. So I can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So now Aaron has a total of 18 chairs, or sitting places, on the floor for math time. So now let's see what Nicole did. So now what Nicole did is she took this array and flipped it over. So we know that with multiplication sentences, we can make 2 sentences with the same answer, but they look different. Remember, we can switch these 2 numbers. So that's what Nicole did. She took her 9 and her 2 and flipped it just like Aaron. So now our first number is always rows. So Nicole has 9 rows, but Nicole also has 2 in each row, which again, we can count them. It's going to give us a total of 18. But now when we look at Nicole's array, she says we make 9 equal groups. But I have 9 groups of 2. This would be 1 group, 2 group, 3, 4, and all the way down. So, and they're all equal because they all have the same amount in each group. There's 2 in each group. So now we have to go with who is correct. Well, let's think. They are both correct because look, they have the same amount of total. They're both getting the total of 18 and they both have equal groups, but the only difference is their arrays look different. It just depends on how you're looking at the array. So if you were to turn Aaron's array, it would look like Nicole's array. They are the same, they're just one's tilted and one's on the side, one's upright. So now we know with each array we can make 2 multiplication problems. And if we can't do it just by looking at this one and making 2, we can always flip our arrays and come up with 2 different arrays, but they always give us the same answer. All right, and that is lesson 8 for today. Thank you and have a good rest of your day.